morning, Bobcats. I'm Justine.
I'm Hannah.
Here's your daily bulletin for Monday, April 24th, 2023.
The virtue of the week is commitment. Commitment is caring deeply about something or someone. It is deciding carefully what you want to do, then giving 100%, holding nothing back. You give your all to a friendship, a task, or something you believe in.
Legendary football coach Vince Lombardi teaches us that individual commitment to a group effort, that is what makes a team work, a company work, a society work, a civilization work.
Mr. Brown is organizing another field trip, this time to Butte College Welding program this Thursday. April 27th at 9:30, Butte's Welding program is an award-winning 2-year program that can open many doors into various careers. After the tour, there will be lunch at the Butte College cafeteria. Mr. Brown has room for 27 students and seats are filling up. You can get a permission slip from Mr. Brown, room 129, Mr. Allen, room 128, Mr. Forward, 503, or the main office. Return the slip by Tuesday, April 25th to guarantee your spot. If you are interested in becoming a welder, this is a field trip for you.
Prom tickets are now on sale in the student store. Prom is set for Saturday, May 13th at the Lakeside Pavilion in Chico, and the theme this year is Starry Night. Ticket prices go up each week as we get closer to the event, so get the best price, buy them early.
Seniors, as we get closer to the end of the year and graduation, a lot of activities and events are scheduled. Miss Foote has created this calendar for you all to keep track of them. You can pick up a copy in the main office. She also wants to remind you to turn in the graduation contract if you haven't already. This is how you order tickets to graduation for your family.
And here's some more information about graduation. Seniors, remember that you may invite a teacher or staff member from any school that you have attended. Just turn the form in to Miss Foote.
Grad night tickets are on sale for just $10. Grad night, of course, follows the graduation ceremony on Thursday, June 8th. It will be held at the Paradise Elks Lodge, and there will be a live DJ, poker tables, a photo booth, lots of food, and prizes. Tickets will be on sale through April and May in the PHS office. For more information, please contact Heidi Lange at 530-513-1665 or paradisegradnight@gmail.com.
Also concerning graduation, this Friday the 28th is the deadline to submit artwork for the graduation program cover. Submit your graduation-themed black and white artwork to Miss Murphy.
In sports this week, softball and baseball play today, Tuesday, and Friday. Today's game is at Willows. Tuesday, both teams are at home against Live Oak, and Friday, they travel to Live Oak. The track team has a home meet on Wednesday, and the golf team plays at Butte Creek in Durham on Wednesday. Also in sports, did you know PHS started an esports team this year? Here's Anthony with the story.
Many Bobcats probably don't know, but this year PHS started its first esports team. The esports team has been operating and playing in competitions for the past few months. They have won 3 and lost 2 matches so far. The competitions include 5 rounds of the game Overwatch, and the winner is the first to take 3 rounds. The team practices and competes in this lab in room 122. Here is team captain Thomas Hearn with a few words on the team.
Our game of choice, we played Overwatch. We did place pretty high, and I'm pretty proud of my team for what they did. They've all worked really hard at this. We started this club from a couple of laptops in Mr. Kohler's room to the setup we have now, which is amazing. The school admin and the school faculty have been nothing but supportive of us, and they have always been extremely willing to help us build this club. Next year, we're going to be looking at other games like Call of Duty and Rocket League. If you're interested, please let me know if you see me on campus, or you can email me at th220-5295@pusdk12.org.
The esports season has ended and they placed 4th out of 44 teams, but they will be playing in some tournaments for fun. Next year, they hope to increase the number of games to compete in. If you would like to join for next year, contact Thomas Hearn for information.
Here's your patriotic message. On this date in 1800, the United States Library of Congress was established when President John Adams signed legislation to appropriate $5,000 to purchase such books as may be necessary for the use of Congress. Today, the Library of Congress is one of the largest libraries in the world. Its collection contains approximately 173 million items, and it has more than 3,000 employees. Happy birthday today to Miley Axon.
Happy birthday tomorrow to Hunter String. And finally, here's your joke of the day with my mom.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why?
Bark, 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 ah!
Thank you.
Have a great day, Bobcats, and rise up.
And finally, here's your joke of the day with my mom.